5 reasons you should eat spicy foods. Do you love or hate spicy foods? If you love it, good for you. And if you don't, you may want to reconsider that choice. In this video, we are going to show you 5 reasons why you should seriously consider eating spicy foods for your health's sake. Watch now to learn about the reasons and the science behind it all. If you enjoy a little kick in your meals, you're in luck. Spicy foods offer plenty of benefits that promote optimum health. This is especially true for dishes made hot through the addition of chili peppers. If peppers still aren't a regular addition to your diet, pay special attention to these 5 reasons why you should eat spicy foods. 1. It helps you lose weight. In a study published by Bioscience Reports in 2017, researchers studied the effects of the capsaicin found in chili peppers on treating obesity. They found that this compound is remarkably effective in minimizing fat accumulation and lowering body weight. In an earlier study led by researchers from the Netherlands Maastricht University, almost 100 participants were given either a placebo or 135 milligrams of capsaicin daily. At the end of the 3-month study, those who took capsaicin burned more calories than the rest of the placebo group. 2. It lowers your blood pressure. Peppers are rich in vitamin C and A, both of which are essential to keeping your heart muscles healthy. In fact, one medium-sized red bell pepper will already give you 253% of your daily vitamin C needs and 75% of your vitamin A requirement per day. Additionally, the heat from the pepper helps improve blood circulation. This puts you at lower risk of hypertension. 3. It's good for your heart. Apart from keeping your heart muscles healthy and improving your circulation, consuming chili peppers has even more effects on your heart health. Among its most important benefits include lowering bad cholesterol levels in your body and, consequently, minimizing your risk for coronary heart disease. Such was the result of the clinical trial led by researchers from China's Institute of Military Preventive Medicine in 2017. 4. It minimizes your risk for cancer. In 2016, Anti-Cancer Research, International Journal of Cancer Research and Treatment, published a study which focused on the ability of capsaicin to combat cancer in humans. This study was led by researchers from the University of Maryland. Their work concluded that capsaicin doesn't just help minimize the risk of cancer. More importantly, it can suppress the growth of cancer cells as well as tumors. 5. It makes you feel good. Capsaicin helps you feel good in more ways than one. In a study published by Pharmacological Reviews in 2012, researchers proved that this compound helps manage pain. Additionally, it is known to boost serotonin and other hormones that control your mood and disposition. Simply adding it to your diet could put you in a better position to minimize stress and combat depression. These 5 reasons you should eat spicy foods should be enough to convince you to load up your diet with hot peppers. Remember that your meals don't have to be unbearably spicy to get these health benefits. So even if you don't like spicy foods and can't tolerate the heat, just a little bit of capsaicin from peppers will go a long way. Following are study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.